and then you click on enter data manually. All right, now over here you just select everything, clear table, and then you select the first cell here, and then you paste everything you've copied from ChatGPT. Okay, you click on done. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to generate so many videos for your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok accounts. Let's get right into it. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help us create, topics around investing and how it's applied in real life. And that's what we're going to mainly use for the videos we're going to create. We're going to look at how to automate this entire process so we'll be able to generate so many videos at a time. In fact, that is the main focus of this video, so stick with me. I have this prompt here. You can find it also in the description of this video. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to give me 50 sets of basic investing topics and how it can be applied in investing. I've also asked it to format them in a table where one column is a topic and the other column is how it can be applied. We will get back into why all of this is important later in the video. Here we go. So we have our topics and then how it can be applied. We have stocks, bonds, diversification, risk tolerance, compound interest, and all of that, and it's broken them down here on the other side. Now we're going to move into the part I love the most, where we design the format for our video. So let's move right into Canva. Over here in Canva, we're just going to click on create a design, type YouTube Shorts. The short format can go for TikTok, it can also go for Instagram Reels. So if you create this format, you can post it across all of these platforms. Over here, we're just going to go into elements and look for anything related to investing. Maybe we should try stocks. Okay, I think this is cool. So let's just bring this here. Now let's click on the transparency and reduce it to a point. I think this is okay. Now let's go in and bring some tests. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy number 1, stocks, and paste it. We're just going to add a bit of effects for it to stand out. So let's just put a background on this. I think this is not bad. Okay, right, now let's bring another test. Let's come back to ChatGPT and copy how it's applied. Back again, we paste it, change the alignments. Okay, let's try and add some effects on there, see if we can spice it up. Over here, I'm just going to set the timing for this. So I'm just going to right click this and click on show timing over here, and then set at what time this part of the test should come in the video. Let's just go about 2.5 seconds, then we bring that in. Okay, that means this may also leave, so let's just bring that to a point. So we just make this video about 7.5 seconds long, something very short. Someone may see this and wouldn't really understand what it means. So let's just put a title at the top here. Let's add an emoji. So let's just, put a stock back, everything to the end, and let's play back again. I mean, it's not looking all that fancy, but then I think it's looking good enough to move on. I don't want to spend so much time on this. However, you can add more stuff to it. You can design it to your specification. So let's go back into ChatGPT and I'll show you something. Okay, so we go back to ChatGPT and we copy everything we have here Okay, and then we come back to Canva here, and then we click on this button here, apps. You see this option, bulk create. You click on that, and then you click on enter data manually. All right, now over here you just select everything, clear table, and then you select the first cell here, and then you paste everything you've copied from ChatGPT. Okay, you click on done. Now it still doesn't look good, right? Wait, hold on a second. So you come on stocks here, you right click that, then you click on connect data, then you select topic. Okay, and then this second session you right click that as well, click on connect data, you choose application. Right now go over here and just click on continue. Right now you see everything you've got is listed here from 1 to 50. Now you're just going to click on generate 50 pages, and Canva is just going to do the work for you. So as you can see, we've got our 50 videos here. So the next thing to do is just click on share, and then we click on download. Over here, always make sure that you check this particular box, download pages as separate files. It's very important. And then you click download. This is a very good technique for anyone that's looking to start a no-face page or channel or anything like that. All right, so as you can see, these are all our videos, right? You can see them here, this restaurants. Okay. So again, if you are posting once a day, you have so much content, right? If you are posting even twice a day, you still have enough content. This is a very simple approach, straightforward one. You just go into ChatGPT, put your ideas in there, generate from there, and then go into Canva, design your template, and then, you know, automate the entire process and generate your videos. It's quite simple. You can use this approach to generate quizzes. You can use it to generate spin the bottles, stuff like that. And these things do get a lot of views on YouTube. So you can look into them and then look at how you can tap into that as well. Of course, let me know in the comments if you have any question. If there's anything you would like to add to this, please let me know as well. And then as usual, I'll see you in another video.